Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you in this Market Kya Lagta Hai episode. So market is doing well and consistently showing some kind of a momentum. Currently, this is the third week that we are seeing some kind of a bullish action that is taking place. And currently, Nifty has completed a target of 25,300 as we discussed in the last Market Kya Lagta Hai episode. And we analyze this using open interest, right? So 25,300 is kind of reached. 55,500 in case of Bank Nifty is also completed. This is reached. And here we are to analyze afresh for the upcoming week. So a stronger market in Nifty, Bank Nifty. Let's quickly go to hourly time frame to analyze how Nifty looks for the upcoming week. So Nifty, as we can see, our targets of 25,154 and 25,376. All these targets are completed. So from here, the expectation is something like we can expect the next target of around 25,500. Let us calculate this target first. Right, so 25,500 is going to be our next target. So let me drag this and drop it somewhere here. Right, so this can be our one of the target. Another important target can be 25,657. So let me just move this marker over here and let's rename this 25,657. You can round it off to 660. That's still okay. Let me remove this clutter. Okay, so I'll remove these two targets which are completed now. And currently we are seeking this target of 25,492, around 25,500, and 25,650 is going to be our second target. Now we need to calculate the range as well. So let us quickly go to Nifty and September expiry. We are looking at. So in September expiry, the important level that can be seen is 26,000, which can get completed, and also the range low can be around 25,200 odd, right? So 25,200 is somewhere here. So if we go to change in open interest, there's an unwinding from 25,200. This is probably rollover in my understanding. This must have gone from here to the next expiry. If this level fails, if price goes below 25,200, then it will probably reach to 25,000 is what my understanding is. But let us be optimistic. Let us see how the price is actually moving. We need a follow-up to today's candle to be more bearish, and then accordingly we will understand how things are taking place. So for now, if we just calculate this, so 25,200 is a lower level that we have, and we are changing it to 25,500. So this is how the range high and low are kind of prescribed right now. The range low can be this 50 EMA on hourly time frame. That is also one of the possibility. So at this junction, we will not rush to enter unless this high is taken out. These highs are important, and these highs are in a way instilling our confidence into Dow theory. It will be a continuation of the Dow theory. So we'll wait patiently for this high to be taken out. On a daily chart, if we see the similar action in case of Nifty, so what has happened right now is that we have seen a hanging man kind of a structure here, and this is a bearish candle taking place. So unless and until this high is taken out, we will not be bullish per se. So at least if we want to be bullish on a Monday, we want price to be above this high of the Friday's candle, today's candle, and then and only then we'll look to create new bullish positions. Similarly for Bank Nifty as well, we have a hanging man and a bearish kind of a candle. So if we get a closing above this high, then that will be a good opportunity for us to get into next leg of bullish trades. If we check this on the Bank Nifty chart, these targets are completed. Now the target that we have is around 56,100. So let me just rename this. So target can be 56,100. I'll remove this target. These are completed now. And I believe that this 56,000 should come in this particular expiry only, right? So let us drag this and keep it for our 56,000 target. Right, so 56,000 is here, and very close to that we have this target of 56,100. Range, if we look at the range part, then in that case the range will be 55,000 to 56,000. Okay, so this is how I am looking at the OI range as well. Ideally, price should not spend a lot of time in consolidation. It should ideally start heading towards in upwardly manner is what my expectation is. Most importantly, there was a US Fed policy on Wednesday, I believe, and as a result of which USD INR dollar index as well as the 10-year government bond yield, all these things are showing some kind of a volatility. Typically this happens, we'll let this volatility settle for some time, and after a week or so we'll review this position and then we'll understand how these things are taking place. In case of USD INR, it is already showing some kind of signs for a kind of rejection at this resistance level of 88.4, and let us observe in coming week how this is reacting overall, and then accordingly we will analyze this again in the coming week or in the coming weekly market kya lagta hai video. So do like and share this video if you like. If you have some questions, do write to me in comment box. I'll be gladly answering you. That's it from me for this particular week, guys. Thank you so much. I'm signing off. Bye bye.